Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to create 3D button animation using HTML and CSS. So first open VS Code and your browser. So now that they're opened, go to File Manager, Documents, right click and create a new folder, name it Button Animation. Okay, and then after you name it, you press enter. But I've already created this folder, so I don't need to create it again. In VS Code, once you've created the folder, in VS Code click on File, Open Folder, and then go to where you created the folder, which is Documents, and then Button Animation, then click on Open. So now, I am in the Button Animation folder. Create an index.html file and an index.css file. Now write HTML5. Not device width, jeez, where are these things coming from? Now create a link with a rel of style sheet and then href of index.css. And in the body, create a simple lonely button. Now make sure they have the live server extension installed. And also, this is completely optional, but also install the auto rename tag extension. It's optional, but it just helps a lot. Now right click and click on open with live server. That is if you have the live server extension installed. So yeah, this is a button. There's nothing really special about the button. It's just an ordinary button. So now we have to make the button feel special. So write button, add a padding of something like 50 pixels to it. And a background color of cornflower blue. A border of 4 pixels solid cornflower blue. Then RGB 38, 58 and 97. Also give it a border radius of 20 pixels. Now before you watch this video, make sure you have a basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. Then you would understand what I'm doing. Didn't mean to open this code another time. Now this button, the font in it is pretty small, so I'm going to change the font size to 25 pixels. I mean, it makes it a bit bigger and bulkier. Now, still, there's nothing special about this button. The button is just a normal button. There's nothing cool about it. No hover animations, no clicking animations, no nothing. So let's change that. Button hover transform equals translate y 360 degrees, and also give it a scale of 2 and 2 and a translate of 60 pixels and 80 pixels. Oh, and also in the button, the transition of 1.5 seconds. Now you see when we hover over this button, it becomes bigger. Yay, I guess. Oh wait, this is meant to be translate y, it's meant to be... Okay, so this is a mistake. So write transform rotate y 360 degrees. Replace the translate y with the rotate y. Now this button feels much more special. Now change these from 2 to 1.5. Now the button is much more cooler. Much more cool looking. Now I am also going to add a click animation to it. The click animation set the transition to 0.2 seconds because when we click on it, we don't want people to be waiting before, you don't want people to be waiting before, the animation can actually play. And change this from hover to active. A fancy word for click. Now, set this to rotate y minus 360 degrees, 0.5 and 0.5. I set this to 30 pixels and 40 pixels, half of what they used to be. If you hover over this and you can click it, it becomes small. And not so bad. Yay! Remove the translate, and now we can hold it, and then it's going to become smaller. Now you see that when we hold it, the button it doesn't really go back to its normal position. So copy the translate from the hover. Change this to 0 pixels. 0 pixels. So now when we hold it, it is not going to go to the center of the screen again. Now that we've made the button special, the button is happy now. So anyways, as a finishing touch, I'm also going to change the background color. So write body background color, cornflower blue. And change this to RGB 201, 210 and 228. Light blue background. Lastly, as a finishing touch, I'm going to add a shadow to it. So write box shadow inset 00 10 pixels RGBA 0,0,0,0.5. The classic. Which adds a shadow inside of the button. But if you want the shadow to be outside of the button, remove this inset, and now the shadow is not inside the button anymore. But I prefer the shadow being inside the button. Outside. And 25 pixels maybe. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye!